Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today we're going to be unboxing the RB10GM14H, which has everything you see here, from the Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system to the integration and installation kit that allows you to flush mount this into the dash of your GM truck. We're going to go ahead and set the HEIGH10 aside for now and take a look at what's in this installation kit. Right on top of the box, we have a piece of paper with a QR code. Just scan that with your smartphone to download the latest instruction manual. There's a plug-and-play harness for your vehicle. This is going to plug directly into your truck and plug right into the HEIGH10. It's going to retain your steering wheel controls and other great features. We got our dual USB extension cord. This is going to plug into the back of the HEIGH10 and run those USB ports to the front of your GM truck. Here's our reverse camera retention harness. Retains the factory reverse camera if equipped. A satellite radio retention harness to connect into the satellite radio tuner if you're retaining Sirius. A reverse camera retention harness. This is used in newer trucks to retain your factory reverse camera. There's a steering wheel connection harness. This connects underneath the steering column and runs over to the dash. An AM/FM antenna adapter. Chime module and radio replacement interface. Here's our small video adapter. The plastic trim panel that mounts the HEIGH10 flush in the dash of your truck. A pack of zip ties. And some more mounting hardware. There's a big piece of foam protecting the HEIGH10. Because of the way this kit mounts the HEIGH10 in your GM truck, there's a few pieces from the HEIGH10 box that we're not going to need. We're not going to use the accordion boot. And we're also going to not use this installation bracket. What we are going to use in our GM truck is going to be the HEIGH10 brain. All of your harnesses are going to connect on the back. All the harnesses and mounting hardware are included in this box. And then we have the fantastic 10-inch HD touchscreen display. And that's everything that's included in the RB10GM14H that allows you to take the Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system and mount it flush in the dash of your GM truck. For step-by-step installation instructions, be sure to check out our install videos. Thanks for watching.